Introduction to Google Fit Weekly Workout Stats.
Google Fit offers simple tools for tracking your physical activity. One powerful feature is the ability to view and compare your weekly workout stats. By regularly checking these stats, you can see your progress, set goals, and stay motivated to maintain a healthy routine. This tutorial will guide you through the steps to analyze and compare your weekly workout data effectively.
Accessing weekly workout data.
Start by opening the Google Fit app on your device. On the home screen, you'll see a dashboard with activity highlights. To review weekly stats, tap on the Journal or Timeline tab, then select Workouts or check activity summaries that break down your week's activities. This view displays details such as workout types, durations, steps, and calories burned.
Viewing and comparing weekly activity trends.
To compare your workouts week by week, look for the Activity or Weekly Summary section. Here, you can scroll between different weeks to review total workout time, type of exercises, and calories burned. Comparing these summaries helps you spot patterns such as increased activity, changes in routine, or periods when your activity dropped.
Using graphs and visualizations.
Google Fit provides easy-to-read charts and graphs that make tracking progress simple. Tap on stats like steps, heart points, or distance to expand the graph view. Visual comparisons across weeks allow you to quickly see trends, such as whether you're moving more or less compared to the previous week. Use these visuals to set targets and monitor improvements.
Tips for effective analysis.
For meaningful comparisons, be consistent in logging workouts and wearing your tracking device. Consider setting weekly goals in the app to make progress easier to measure. Review your weekly summaries every Sunday or Monday to reflect and plan adjustments. This habit turns data into actionable insights, helping you stay on track with your fitness journey.
Conclusion: making the most of Google Fit stats.
Regularly reviewing and comparing your weekly stats in Google Fit empowers you to take control of your fitness. Noticing small wins, identifying patterns, and setting achievable goals all contribute to a healthier, more active lifestyle. With these tools, staying informed and motivated has never been easier. Stay active and keep tracking your journey.